In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward email as an attachment in Outlook. This is especially useful when you need to share an email exactly as it was received, including its original formatting and headers, which can help with context, audits, or troubleshooting. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. Look for the official Outlook site from Microsoft and click it to open Outlook on the web. If you're not already signed in, Outlook may prompt you to log in before you continue. Once Outlook loads, navigate to your inbox. This is where all your incoming messages are stored. Find the specific email you want to forward as an attachment and open it. Opening the message ensures the next menu options apply to this exact email. Now, look for the three dots, also known as the More Options or Overflow menu. You'll typically find this near the top of the message window, alongside the usual reply and forward buttons. Click those three dots to reveal additional actions. In the menu that appears, move your cursor to the option labeled Other Reply Actions. Don't click yet, just hover over it. This will expand a submenu with more choices tailored to how you want to handle the message. From that expanded list, click Forward as Attachment. When you select this, Outlook will open a new Compose window with the original email attached as a separate .eml file. This preserves the entire message exactly as received, which is the key difference from a regular forward. At this point, you'll see the attachment already added to your new message, and you can continue as you normally would when composing an email. Because the message is attached, the recipient can open it and see the untouched original, which is ideal when you want to maintain full context. A couple of quick pointers as you work through this. If you don't immediately see the three dots, make sure you're viewing the full message rather than the preview pane. Some options only appear when the email is fully open. Also, hovering instead of clicking on Other Reply Actions is important, since the Forward as Attachment option sits one level deeper in that menu. That's it. By opening the email, using the three-dot menu, hovering over Other Reply Actions, and choosing Forward as Attachment, you preserve the original message and share it cleanly and professionally.